Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about the interview questions related to increment and decrement operators in Java. So what are increment and decrement operators in Java? So the operator, which is represented by plus plus symbol, and the decrement operator, which is represented by minus minus symbol, are unary operators. So what does unary operator means? Which means they operate on a single operand. So they need only a single operand. If we see another operators like addition, multiplication, division, they does not operate on a single operand. Operand means basically the values, right? So increment and decrement operators are unary operand. They need a single operand. They are used to increase or decrease the value of an integer data type, floating point data type, or a character data type by 1. So they will increase or decrease depending on the symbol that you have provided. If you have provided plus plus, then it will increase the value by 1. If you provide the symbol minus minus, then it will decrease the value by 1. So these operators can be applied in two ways. So there are two ways in which these operators can be applied to operand. First is prefix and the second is postfix. So let's understand how we can make use of increment and decrement operators using prefix and postfix. Prefix, increment and decrement operator. So in the prefix form, the operator is placed before the operand. So in this case, the operand is variable. So variable is nothing but any type of variable name. Okay. And the operator is placed before the operand. So operator here is plus plus. This is the increment operator. And in this case, minus minus, which is the decrement operator. So the value of the operand is incremented or decremented first. So whenever we use the prefix increment and prefix decrement, so the value will be incremented by 1 in this case, and in this case the value will be decremented by 1, and then the result is used in the expression. So the main thing to remember here is whenever we are using prefix, the value is increased or decreased by 1 as per the operator you have provided. And in postfix increment and decrement operator, the operator is placed after the operand. So in this case, first we write the variable name and then we provide the operator, which is increment here, and in this case decrement. The value of the operand is used in the expression first, and then it is incremented or decremented. So in prefix, first the value was incremented or decremented, and then it was used in the expression. But in case of postfix, the value is used in the expression first, and then it is incremented or decremented. So this was the theory about increment and decrement. Let's see in the practical implementation how we can make use of these two operators. So here I have one class increment decrement. Inside this class I have one main method. So first thing, I have integer variable a which is assigned to value 5 and another variable b. Here I use the increment operator which is prefix, right? Because here the operator is used before the operand. So in this case, what will happen? If you see here prefix, the value of the operand is incremented or decremented first, and then the result is used in the expression. So it will increment first. Okay. So what is the value of a currently? 5. So it will first increment the value of a. So a will become 6, and then this value of a will be assigned to b. So 6. So in both these cases, a and b will print 6. Let's run this code. See, we are getting here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 6. I hope you understood it. What this expression has done, first it has incremented the value of a by 1, which is 6. So a has become 6, and that value of a is assigned to b. If I make it postfix, then what will happen? Let's see the difference here, a plus plus. So if I make it postfix, then the value of a will be first used and then it will be incremented, right? If we see here postfix, the value of operand is used in the expression first and then it is incremented or decremented. So in this case, what will happen? The value of a will be assigned to b. So b will have the value 5 and then the value of a will be incremented to 6. So b will have 5 but a will have 6. If I run this code, see, a is having 6 and b is having 5. So that was the difference between postfix and prefix. Now if I make it decremented, so what will happen? Now in this case, value of A will be assigned to B. Currently value of A is 5. So B will have the value 5. And then as it is a postfix, then the value of A will be decremented by 1. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. So B will have 5, but A will have 4 now. If I run this code, see, A is having 4 and B is having 5. And if we make use of decrement operator prefix, let's see that also. So what will be the output in this case? So first time A is having the value 5. Then as it is a prefix, the value will be decremented. So A will become 4. Now A's value is 4 and that value of A will be assigned to B. So which is 4. So in this case A and B will have the value 4. So see, we are getting here 4. So I hope you have understood the difference between increment and decrement and also the use of postfix and prefix. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So that's it in this video. We will see another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.